Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be replacing the hard disk of this my current laptop, which has HDD. So I'll be replacing it with SSD. So I have the SSD with me, so I have gone for WD green 240 GB space. So I don't need much of the space just to load the operating system, so this is enough for it. And also I have a bootable pen drive, so once the system loads from the new hard disk, we can directly install Windows 11. I have this bootable pen drive which I have done in the previous video, so I'll be using that to make it work. And I also have another thing, so I already have 1 TB hard disk here, so I have much of the data in it. So what I'll be doing is I'll be removing the CD drive that I have here. So I'll be removing it and replacing it with this candy. It is known as a candy. We can second HHD candy. So we'll be replacing it and putting back the both hard disk, the SSD one as well as the default hard disk. So let's get started. So I'll be opening this up. I'll first go with the candy part here. So let's see if it works or not, because previously I have changed in my HP laptop, so it was working there. Not sure about this Lenovo laptops. So I'll quickly show you where the hard disk is. So my laptop name is Lenovo Ideapad 310. So we have this compartment here, separate compartment. So here the hard disk is there, and here in this section the RAM is there. So you need to just pull it off, so you can see. So it has Toshiba hard disk here, so I'll keep it closed for some time. Make sure I don't lose this. So you can see I have taken out this CD drive here. I'll keep it side. I will quickly I think we don't need to open another ports as well, because we just need the hard disk here and this part, so no need to open another ports. But when I was having the HP laptop, I was changing the SSD, so I need to open the full back panel of the laptop. Okay, I'll quickly I think it's a different one. Okay, it's a different one. You need that. Go for that. Okay, we need to change the port here. So I need to replace it. So I'm removing this thing, adding this design here. Just make sure you don't lose any of the screws on the hard disk, because if the hard disk is loose, you might face issue such as blue screen error and etc. while booting the operating system. So this is the last tool that I have taken out. So I'll quickly take out the hard disk. So we have this rubber kind of thing. You just need to push it here indirectly. Eject the hard disk like this. So I'll keep it aside. Quickly unbox this WD. So here we have the hard disk. Some basic paperwork. So we need to remove this before installing. But before making sure that, we need to remove this rubbery part here. So normal hard disk is a bit heavy as compared to the SSD. Quickly install this. So as you can see, I have installed this rubbery part. So I'll do this thing. Remove this before installing. So I'll push it, install it like this. So it is done properly. You can directly attach this lid part here. You can directly go ahead and attach the screw here, but before doing that, we'll add this hard disk to our candy as well. So we have packed this, just need to attach the screw here. So this is the normal secondary candy. So here some screws are given and this thing to make it work. Keep this aside. So this is the hard disk here. We need to make sure we attach it properly. Push it. Make sure you push it properly. So it is done. So we don't need any of the screws here. So let it be. We'll attach it. Okay, before doing that, we'll do one thing. So this is the CD drive that I have taken out from here. So we need to open this so that we can take out this black part. We can attach it here so that we don't see anything like we have removed this like that. So the design must not be compromised. I guess we need a different one. So I have got the proper match here. So I'll just open this up quickly. It's a little tough here. No, the screws are there. Okay, so it is removed. So we need to attach that to our secondary candy that I have here. Also make sure that there is one screw here whenever we insert like this. So it is holding the CD drive here. So we need to make sure we need to remove this and add it to this secondary hard drive as well. Okay, I'll keep this aside. So I don't know what's wrong with this candy. So there should be a screw where I can attach this part so that it may hold this drive inside that. But anyways, no problem. I'll do one thing. I'll keep it what it is. I'll attach the screws here, and I will add this screw as well. And then I'll close this, and then we can start with the booting up the laptop.